Yeah, it's a cabin filter. You better change your cabin filter before you catch that COVID-19. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. N95 filtration by Fram, the best one you can get. No, I'm just kidding. Don't get a Fram. If you got more money than me, you better get a K&N or something, man, like for real, because this is the cheapest one you can get. So that's why I just went with this one, because I'm just gonna see if the previous owners ever changed it or the dealer ever changed my cabin filter in my Jeep. So let's go on in there and exchange it and see if it's in good condition. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're here. So the first thing you want to do is you see this thing right here. You're gonna want to pull this down. It's like a little leverage. So yeah, see that clip right here? I'm gonna try to get it good for you guys. You gotta like pull. You kind of have to like hold on to this. It's hard. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here, guys. So you know, I need to use another hand. So I'll be right back. All right, so I just got done unclipping it right here. As you can see, it's not there. That the little clip, that's like a little hinge. It like holds onto it, as you guys seen earlier. So all you gotta do is pull down on it as you're holding this like up like this, and then it should be easy to push down, and then you pull out. And it was easy to come out. So next thing you have to do is there's like these little tabs back here, and then you have to pry it out, like push it that way. See, I already got that one. And then there's another one up here. You just gotta like pop it out. Yeah. Come on, hoe. All right, it's being a hoe right now. You hear my ass fucking. Oh shit! Did I fucking? My bad, guys. So yeah, you gotta pop those little things out. It could be a pain in the ass with one hand. Okay. I think we gotta do this side first. Yeah, I'm struggling. Y'all motherfuckers laughing at me. Watch me break this shit. Oh, nope, I got it. Oh shit. It's a lot. But look where we at. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video here, and then I'm gonna get to the filter. Alright, so your boy's at the filter already. As you can see it right there. But first, in order to get there, we need to take off this tray right here. All it is you're pulling down and then like pulling back. As you can see up here, mine already broke, but I didn't do that. And over here you have to pry it up and then pull back. I already did that, so you figure it out, like, you know, like go down. Damn, this thing actually on there, huh? I guess it's not right. You know what? I could probably get it without taking this off. You guys could too, because this thing's being a pain, yo. Why don't you want to come off, dude? You know what? I wonder if you gotta take this whole thing off. Nah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take out this filter. So all you gotta do, if you get this off, there's like this little clip right here. It might be too dark, man. All right, there we go. All right, see this here? You're just gonna have to like, you know, pop it this way or that way. I'm not sure because I haven't got there yet. And then your filter should be right there, and you can pull it out. Okay, guys. So I was able to get that tray off. So you can see right here, it takes a little tugging and pulling. And yeah, you see that? There's a filter. And this thing right here was just like clipped in like this. You just have to like, you know, pinch it, bring it back. Here's another piece. And here's the filter. Let's check it out. And look at that. Filthy. Super filthy. Yeah, it was time for replacement. Check out that difference. Ooh, we in with the blue skis. Get off me. Damn, look at that. Way difference. You know what's weird? This one's made in Mexico. The white one. You know. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this back on. It should all be the same, so I'm not gonna show myself putting it all back together. It's gonna be the same thing how you know, took out everything off, clipped and everything back on. So yeah, guys, here it is. All right, y'all, that's gonna sum up the video. So I hope that can help you somewhat, some way. Y'all can comment down below if you guys have any questions, if you run into problems or anything, let me know what's up. But I'm sure you can do it. It was my first time, so you can do it too. All right, so make sure if you're new, like, comment, subscribe, baby, please. Let's see how long I can go with this and see what I can do. I need you guys' support though. Deuces, take care.